Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W, and I will show you how you can disable this quick launch of your camera when you are double pressing fast your power button. So at the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the search bar and type quick, and go for the jump to camera feature and simply turn it off by tapping on the switcher. And right now when you close this menu and then double tap the home button, our smartphone is not going to turn on camera. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.